this section, we'll discuss the cleaning and maintenance of the printer, in particular the rubber rollers. First thing we want to do is turn the unit off. Power down with the switch in the back. For best viewing, I'm going to turn the printer to the side. We suggest cleaning the print rollers every 2,500 labels, or every one roll of ID tape. We also suggest turning the printer off before we do any cleaning to the print head or the rollers itself. It's important to note that if in the middle of a print job you run out of ID labels, turning the printer off is going to clear the batch and you'll lose any print jobs going to the printer. So we suggest that if you run out of ID labels in the middle of a print job, replace the ID labels. When that job is done, power the unit off and then take one of the alcohol prep pads that are supplied in each kit and clean the rollers as I'm going to show you now. Assuming that the ID tape is out, now is the time to clean the rollers. We'll take one of the alcohol prep pads, open it up. We want to clean this main rubber roller here that helps feed the ID labels through the auxiliary. Now it's very difficult to get this prep pad completely around the main rubber roller. So what we do is, I slide this unit for better viewing, 3 rubber rollers top, 3 rubber rollers bottom. Just grab the rubber rollers from the bottom and pull it towards you. As you pull it towards you, the main rubber roller on the back side will feed around so that you can clean all sides of that roller. After cleaning that, you can just discard. In this section, we're going to talk about proper cleaning of the print head itself. First, lift the cover, open the print head release, and you can see, in this case, we are out of ink. All the new ink has now been reeled up onto the take-up cord. What we want to do is take off the ink so that we can expose the print head. Again, the frequency of cleaning the print head is going to be every time we replace an ink ribbon, which again is going to be every 20,000 inches or every 8 rolls of ID tape. We want to take our print head cleaning pen that comes with every new unit. Open the cap, and what we're looking to find is the little green and black bar evident on the print head. We'll take our marking pen, our cleaning pen, and rub this up and down that black bar and that green bar. It may pick up a small amount of residue or debris. Again, we want to do this when the printer is turned off. These print head cleaners are supplied in every new printer that goes out. As long as the cap's on, it should last 4 to 5 kits. When they dry out, all you need to do is call our customer service and ask them to send another cleaning pen out with the next kit. That's all we need to do with the print head. It's clean and it's ready to install the ink. One other thing that you can do to prolong the life of the thermal print head cleaner is to take a clean cloth, terry cloth or any type of clean fabric, and after you run this up and down the print head, clean this off on the piece of cloth like this. That will just take off any of the debris to help prolong this. Make sure the cap is on, and that'll help prolong the life. As mentioned earlier section, we do supply every printer with one of these display stands that again summarize in color detail, illustrate how to load properly the ink as well as the ID tape as a reference guide. Each printer we send out has one of these, so you can set these up at your workstation so that your stockroom partners and personnel can use these and refer to these as needed. On the reverse side, we show again with illustrations and simple instructions how to clean and maintain the printer, both the print head and the rollers, as well as the frequency of each. Any further questions regarding the technical support or cleaning and maintenance of the printer can be found in the actual reference manual. On the top of the reference manual, we do list our toll-free tech support number if needed to contact with any further questions. Inside the reference manual, we also list are suggested heat seal parameters. We list the most popular heat seal models out there in the industry so that you can set standards to each heat seal machine and ensure that the T2 labels are properly bonded.